Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today, we will learn about XAMPP installation, so let's start. At first, open your browser and search XAMPP. Go to Download. You can download XAMPP for Windows, Linux, and OS. But now we will download for Windows. After downloading, go to File Location. Open or run the file as administrator to install. Simply click Next to finish installation. It will take some time to install, so let's wait. Now, click Finish and open the control panel. Click Start to run Apache and MySQL. Click MySQL admin to open PHP MyAdmin. Click Apache admin to open Dashboard. Click Explorer to go to File Location. Open htdocs folder and create a folder for new site. To visit the site, just go to localhost / your folder name. It is showing empty because our project folder is empty. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.